To install the 2.5-inch hot swap drive backplane, connect the signal, configuration, and power cables to the backplane. Insert the tabs on the backplane into the slots in the bottom of the backplane cage and push the backplane forward until locked in place. Connect the combination power and configuration cable connector to the system board. Install any drives or filler panels that were partially removed from the bay. Press in on the filler panel until seated. Push the drive into the bay, then rotate the drive handle to the closed position until it latches in place. Install the fan cage assembly. Place the fan cage assembly into the server using the tabs on the cage and the slots in the chassis for alignment. Squeeze and hold the tabs on the release latches and rotate the latches down until the assembly is latched in position. Here is a closer look at the release latch action. Install the top cover. With the cover release latch in the open position, place the cover on top of the server so that the tabs on the cover align with the slots in the chassis. Slide the top cover forward, then press down on the cover release latch until it clicks into place.